Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic that concerns a lot of people. Can the salaried ever achieve financial freedom? This is a topic that has been debated for a long time and we believe that it is important to address it. नहीं दोस्तों, यहाँ मैं उन लोगों के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ जो सभी अच्छी खासी अमाउंट या 6 फिगर सैलरी अर्न कर रहे हैं। कुछ ऐसे कदम जो आप कम सैलरी पर भी फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम प्राप्त करने के लिए उठा सकते हैं। फर्स्ट, फोकस ऑन रिड्यूसिंग योर एक्सपेंसेस बाय कटिंग बैक ऑन unnecessary spending. Cancel subscription if you don't use and be mindful of your shopping habits, and also make sure you buy one health insurance for your entire family. Next, stock, mutual fund या real estate में निवेश करके अपने पैसे को अपने लिए काम करने दे. Start with small amount and gradually increase your investment amount. Check if the expected weighted average return on your portfolio is more than 7% per annum. Evaluate each investment and check if it is beating inflation. If your portfolio is not beating inflation, change the asset class mix. इसके बारे में हम बाद में चर्चा करेंगे. Finally, consider starting a side business or freelancing to generate extra income. ये ना ही केवल आपके अपने एम तक तेजी से पहुंचने में मदद करेंगे बल्कि आपकी जॉब को और सेफ्टी बनाएंगे. In conclusion, financial freedom is not just reserved for self-employed. With right mindset and actions, can even salaried individuals achieve it. So दोस्तों, please share your own tips, stories in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more content on personal finance. Thank you.